Hi everyone, Darko here, and Happy New Year, and welcome to Darko's Day Trading Academy. We had a couple of trades this week, and I want to share those trades with you. Let's see here. I will show you the screenshot rather than just letting you listen to the PMA. It goes much more faster. So this is the screenshot that I showed our clients. And I went through the reasons behind this shorting. So this was a pending order when price was down in here. So and let's just see how things went. This was we got filled in here. Price went against us, and now we are currently up like just below 100 pips. The reason for this trade was my monthly bias was down. Okay, and then I went to my weekly chart and looked for a level that makes sense to me to short. And I picked this micro level on a weekly chart, and there's also a much bigger level on a daily chart, and that level is also happens to be a monthly, almost a triple neckline. Okay, and price was above that level, and then we convincingly reestablished background space, entry, stop loss, and we took just over 90 pips of profit in here. And my final target is actually this weekly and this daily identical neckline. So let's see if we hit the final target. Regardless, this is a winning trade. The next trade I had on my radar, let's see if I can find the screenshot for you here. So this one we just got filled for some hours ago, so we don't know the outcome of this trade. This is Kiwi yen. Pending order, obviously, entry at just above 74 plus run running with a with a low stop loss. Let me show you. We just got filled. Let's see here. Euro Aussie. No, this was not. Just give me one sec. Euro Kiwi was it? No, geez, Kiwi yen. So yeah. This was the entry. We get just filled to the pip. Okay, so we are front running our order. Everyone got filled. So yeah, price went up. We are risk reduced. I typed in the room just before I record the session. Risk reduced. You can very well like just take something off. Regardless, this could be like either reduced loss or a break-even trade, depending if you took something off when price was up in here. The reason for this trade is my monthly bias is up. Okay, and then I'm just the same way I identify the previous trade. I am identifying this trade and every other trade that we are doing. First of all, we start with a monthly chart, and then once I have my monthly bias, I go and look for support and resistance on my weekly and daily. In this case, this is a no-brainer. You see my cursor in here? This is a strong weekly level. Okay. Yeah, so this is a strong weekly level, and that strong weekly level happens to be, let's give me one sec, happens to be also a daily identical neckline. Okay, so in this case, price came down, breached this level, we closed, and then we convincingly reestablished background space, entry, stop loss. So yeah, we just got filled for some hours ago, and let's just see how things goes. So we will be having a promo webinar on Thursday the 7th of January, 3 p.m. Eastern. If you want to become a professional day trader or scalper, I highly suggest that you sign up for that free webinar. We will give you a juicy opportunity to join our service long term, reduced price, and 2021 new year, maybe this will be the year when you finally decide to join a real coaching service. If that's in the cards for you, we will be more than happy to help you reach your goal to become a professional, consistent trader. So make sure you sign up. It's for free, and the webinar will be recorded. If you cannot be there live, we will send the webinar for you. So yeah, that's it. See you on Thursday, or next time I'm recording a free video for our social media followers. Thank you so much for listening, and see you soon. Cheers.